Hi everyone, I'm coming to you with an unboxing of a bag from the Coach outlet. This is a bag they had on sale, and here she is. This is the Colorblock Leather Willow Tote 24, and this is in the color Deep Berry Multi. And this is so pretty. Got the two handles. And it's got the seam to the side. It's got the brass hardware. It's beautiful. And it's got the feet at the bottom. It's not too small, I think, for me, and not too big either, but it feels very lightweight, which is nice. There's the hang tag. Okay, so here on one side is a magnetic closure. And it looks like there's like a lavender on one side and the deep berry on the other. And then on the other side is the turn lock. So here the tag is lavender and that matches the inside here on this side. It's really beautiful. Very, very pretty. This is a beautiful bag. The leather on it is gorgeous. I feel it's a really good size. And I like the two compartments, the turn lock, the magnetic closure, the color block detail, and the middle zip compartment, just to keep things nice and secure that you want secured. And then having the crossbody is always a nice option. And I do like this little extra loop here on the crossbody in order to keep that strap down. Beautiful hardware. And so I'm really happy with the sale here. And I hope this has helped you look at the Coach Willow Tote itself. Bye for now.